what what do I access? When I was a kid and I saw Star Wars, right? And Yoda was talking to Luke Skywalker. That's how I felt talking to my Bubba. As she was this small, withered in many ways, little old lady with funny syntax, like Yoda, right? But I felt as though like Yiddish was the force to me. It was this very powerful thing that could transcend, you know, that could transcend that was transcendent. That was transcendent, you know. That didn't just belong to this time and place. That wasn't a slave to popular culture. That was something that was powerful and old and important. That's the sense that I got from it, and the fact that it was dying, especially, you know, among secular people, felt important to me, that I had to do something to, you know, change the course of that history. That was my romantic fantasy when I was a little kid.